Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a Christmas Pikachu. So let's get started. To draw this cute Santa, let's first start by drawing Pikachu's eyes. So I'm going to start right here with a circle. And then I'm going to come across, say about this wide, and draw another circle. And now that my two circles in, I'm just going to come in here, right about here, and add in another circle for a highlight. So nice circle, big circle inside, and then shade everything else in. And same thing over here. There. So now I have the two circles and the eyes in. I'm going to come above each eye and just draw a soft curve. And then in between the eyes, let's go ahead and draw a small little nose. So let's say about right here, I'm just going to draw this tiny little triangle right here in the center. Then we're going to come straight down just a little bit, and I'll give myself a point. And from there, I'm going to curve out on both sides for the mouth. So one here, and another one right there. And then we need to widen up the smile, so I'm going to come in a little bit, and we're just going to draw a curve and bring it all the way down. Very deep curve. It's kind of like a rounded off V. And about right there, go ahead and connect it. And then let's come back about, let's say about right here, and we're just going to draw a curve in here for the tongue. There, so we have a very happy Pikachu. Then from there, let's go ahead and frame the face. So I'm going to come to the top of my eye and come out, just give it a little bit space. So let's say about right here. Just give myself a point. Same thing on the other side, same amount of space, about right there. And then I'm going to come right here and just draw a slight angle line where the eyes are. So same thing here, just very slight. Then from there, you can keep going down and curve it in, or you can, if you like, you can just kind of pop it out a tiny bit for the cheeks. So right here. But if you're not comfortable doing that, you can just go ahead and make it smooth. But I'm just going to pop it out a little bit, give Pikachu some cheeks here, and then I'm going to go ahead and bring in this curve. So back and forth on both sides, and I just kind of want it underneath the mouth about right here. So I'm just going to give myself a point so I know where I'm going. And I'm just going to go ahead and draw a soft curve, connect, and same thing on this side. There. Okay, so it's a little bit flatter because we need to give Pikachu a collar. So then from there, let's go ahead and I'm going to bring this up just a tiny bit more, just a little bit, because we need to draw a curve over the brow area for the top of for the rim of our Santa hat. So I'm just going to come up, about here's our center, and then come right back down to the other side. There. And then let's come back to the sides right about here, and we're going to curve up to draw the rim of our hat. And about right there. Curve it in, and same thing over here. So you just kind of pop this out a little bit and go up, and then once again you can just go ahead and follow this curve to create the rim of your Santa hat and connect. There. And then from there, let's see here, we need to draw the ears, of course. So let's come about right here towards this side, towards this corner right here, and about right here. I'm just going to draw this curve, and I'm going to go up. So I'm just going to turn my body a little bit to draw Pikachu's ears. So I'm going to come right about here. I'm going to curve out to say about that much, and then round off this tip and bring it back. to about right here for the ear. And then come about right here and draw a curve. And I'll just go ahead and quickly fill this in so you can see a little bit better. This part's black. There. And then from there we need to draw the other ear. So same thing on the other side, about right here. And right about here. I'm going to go ahead and draw another ear. So I'm kind of making this one a little bit straighter, I guess. Just going to change it up a little bit. So about this much. Same thing, round off the tip and bring it in. From there, I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve right here as well for the tip of Pikachu's ear and shade this all in. There. Okay, so then let's go ahead and complete the hat. So I'm going to come about right here and just add in a curve right here so that we can continue the hat, go up towards the center about right here, and then come down. So kind of give a little point, but round it off. And then right here, go ahead and continue this out. Bring it through, and right here I'm going to add another part of the hat as well, and then come right here and finish the tail here, and then add a circle. There, so we have Santa's hat in. Then from there, let's oh, almost forgot, we need to add in Pikachu's cheeks, right? So let's come about right here, and I'm just going to draw this really big oval right in this space, and same thing over here. So about right here, for another cheek. And then from there, let's go ahead and draw the Santa outfit. So I'm going to come about right here on the side and just draw a small curve. Same thing on the other side, about right here. And then we're just going to go ahead and connect it with a curve. And then we're going to come down, just come in a little bit, and then we're going to draw a slight angle line down. So same thing here. Well, actually, you know what? A little bit off, right? Let's see here. Oh, no, actually, I'm okay. So let's go ahead and draw the slight angle line down. And then before I finish it, I'm going to come back to the center and draw a buckle. So right about here in the center area, I'm just going to go ahead and draw a square right underneath the mouth. And then come inside and draw another one for a buckle. And then we can find the center right here and draw a straight line through. Then I'm going to come right here and just draw a curve. To finish our belt. And same thing here. There, nice thick belt. And then we can bring this down a little bit more. Continue this line down. And let's come back here and we're just going to thicken this part out. Here and here. And let's continue this out so it's going to come through. And about right here, I'm just going to curve out and pass this line and just connect it. So then we're going to pop this part out and just thicken everything up. So same thing on the other side. Pop pop it out and connect. There. Okay, so now that we have that, let's come back down, and just about right here, we're going to imagine this is coming through for Pikachu's bottom, and we're just going to curve and curve, and let's bring this down. So I'm going to bring this down a little bit, and then come down, and then towards the center, wobble and curve again. There. Okay, and then now the feet. So I'm going to come right about here, draw a little curve, and then come out and connect. And then right here, you can just add 2 little lines. So same thing on the other side. About right here. And 2 little lines. Oh, so cute, right? And then the arms. So let's come back right about here. And I'm just going to draw a soft curve. And bring it in. And then poofy white part right here. And then the hands. So I'm just going to draw these tiny little Pikachu hands. And just zigzag. And bring it in. And then on this side, you can do the same thing. But you would have to, I guess, pop this out a little bit more. But I'm just going to draw a hand coming out. So right about here, I'm just going to bring this up and see about this thick. So the Pikachu is waving, and then right about here, just add in this little poofy white part, and then the hands. So same thing, zigzag and bring it in. There. And then, of course, we need to draw the tail, right? I almost forgot. Let's add it right here. I'm trying to simplify as much as possible. So I'm just going to say about right here. And let's see, come over here. Just draw this angle, bring it down. Try not to cut into anything too, so I'll just cut it about right here. Then I'll just add a line right here. There. Just an indication of the tail without making it too complicated. Actually, maybe I could put another step, but you know what? I'll just leave it like this. And because we need to simplify it as much as possible, right? And that is pretty much it, except I'm going to put a little heart right here on his Santa suit to make this my Draw So Cute Santa to celebrate a Pokemon Christmas. Thanks so much for watching, and I really hope you loved this Pikachu and that I brought a smile to your day and that I helped you draw it fun and easy. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.